In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up a Stripe product and payment link. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the main dashboard, go to the left-hand navigation menu and click Product Catalog. This will open the area where all of your Stripe products are stored. From there, select the existing product that you want to use for your payment link. After you open the product page, look for the pricing section. In this section, you will see the available prices connected to that product. Find the specific price that you want to use for the payment link. Next to that price, click the More Options button shown as 3 dots. A menu will appear with additional actions for that price. Under the Accept Payments section, click Create Payment Link. Stripe will then open the Create a Payment Link page for that product and price. Once the page loads, take a moment to review the selected product and the quantity settings. Make sure everything matches what you want customers to purchase. On this page, you can also configure optional settings if needed. For example, you can collect customer information, adjust tax settings, or add a free trial if that applies to your offer. If you want to control what customers see after they complete their purchase, click the After Payment tab. In this section, you can customize the post-payment experience. This is useful if you want to show a confirmation message or guide customers to the next step after checkout. This preview helps you confirm how the payment page will appear to customers before you publish the link. Review the details carefully so you know the page looks correct. When everything is ready, go to the upper right corner and click Create Link. Stripe will then generate your payment link. Once the link is created, you can copy it and share it anywhere you want, such as in emails, on your website, or in social media messages, depending on how you plan to accept payments. That is the full process for creating a Stripe payment link from an existing product and price inside your Stripe dashboard. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.